Most people have watched crime shows like CSI or Criminal Minds, where a detective uses a polygraph lie detection test to determine if the murderer or the thief committed the crime they were convicted for. Sadly, these polygraph tests are not as reliable as these TV shows make them out to be. What's a better option, you might ask? An electroencephalogram, or an EEG. An EEG records brain activity of certain areas of the brain when certain stimuli are presented and recognized by a person, even before they consciously recognize it themselves. The specific area of the brain on the EEG that we are looking at is called the P300. The P300 spot is located on the parietal lobe and is involved with recognition and decision making. Let's say you're a part of an experiment that involves an EEG, where you give the researcher a picture of your pet. The researcher then shows you multiple pictures of other people's pets, and then finally your pet. Once seeing your pet, the P300 spot on the EEG should spike, and the researcher would be able to determine that that was your pet before you consciously know it yourself. This then would be able to be used on someone who used a weapon in a crime. They wouldn't be able to lie because brainwaves don't lie. Why isn't this technology used in courtrooms or crime cases yet? Because this technology is very powerful and there's not much research behind it yet. Also, others think that it's unethical to use people's brainwaves in the courtroom against them. EEGs and technology like this should be allowed in the courtroom because this will help stop the conviction of people who didn't commit the crime that they were convicted for.